Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. And for today's video, we're gonna do one of those classic 4 iconic Roman pastas. For today's video, we're gonna go all the way to the beautiful and iconic city of Rome and make one of its famous pasta recipes. Now, this pasta is actually not invented in Rome, but is adopted by Rome and was invented in a city named Amatriciana. The pasta is an iconic Roman recipe now. Few things before we start this video. The first thing you require is guanciale, which is a cured pig's cheek or pig's jowl. If you can't find that, use pancetta or cured bacon works in extreme cases if you can't find it. Pecorino romano is traditionally used, but you could also use parmesan. This is a beautiful and very simple dish to make. So let's get started. With, in a cold pan, add in your guanciale. If you can't find guanciale, you could use some pancetta or cured bacon. Add in a clove of garlic on a low heat and let the fat render. Once your guanciale is nice and crispy, add in your white wine. Now, in some cases, they also add onions and chili flakes, but I'm not going to add them. The next thing you want to do is get your tomatoes ready. So I'm using crushed San Marzano tomatoes, which are a kind of Italian tomatoes and really show in the end result of the dish. So if you're using canned tomatoes, make sure you use a really good quality, and this will make your sauce even better. I'm just going to scrape all that beautiful fond off the bottom of the pan, and then I'm going to add in my crushed tomatoes. Let your sauce simmer for a while on a nice medium heat, and then add in a ladle of pasta water. This starch-filled water will bring your sauce together really nicely. For the pasta, I'm using bucatini, which is pretty traditional in this recipe. It's pretty simple. Bring your pasta water to a boil, add some sea salt, and drop in your pasta. Once your pasta is 80% cooked, drop it into your sauce and cook it through. In about a minute, your pasta should be ready to go. Glaze your pasta nicely with the sauce. And now it's time to plate. Into a bowl with the pasta, top it off with a bit of sauce or as much as sauce as you like. And then top it off with some pecorino romano. Well, I'm using pecorino romano, which is a sheep's milk cheese, but if you can't find it or you don't like the distinct taste that pecorino has, you could use parmesan. Finish off with some crushed black pepper. Now notice I haven't added any salt to my sauce. That's because the guanciale is a cured meat and it's pretty salty, and so is the pecorino romano. So I would advise you to taste your sauce and add how much salt you need. So there you have it, a beautiful pasta all the way from Rome. I hope you enjoyed this simple video, and I hope you'll try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching this recipe, and thank you for all your love and support. Till next time, bon appetit.